Okay, you guys should recognize this place. This is my brooder. Well, it's a little different now. Look at my bitty ones. They're trying to figure out what that crazy woman is doing to them now. Well, Mr. Smokey, are you going to get that fly? Come on, babies. I forgot to turn that light off earlier, so it's pretty hot in here. Come on, babies. Everything new is scary. Scary, scary. Come on. Come get some. Come on. I decided to try and do, you know how we all get them Tupperware lids that we got extra and we don't quite know what to do with them? I thought, I got a use for this. Come on, babies. Look at that. Oh, look at them nummies. Look at them nummies. We got Chip, Silver, Lucky, and Smokey. Are you smoking, Smokey? Smoke, 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 smoke. I might want to move that bar. You can hear my baby roosters over there. Well, doesn't look like these guys are going to eat. Here are these girls. Look at this. They're eating their fermented grains, and you can hear. Look at how bright turquoise her ears are. You can see there's a mama back there. Alright, I'm gonna feed the downstairs, and they're not quite integrated yet, but they're getting there. Okay, you can hear Romeo. He's calling his girls. He says, "Oh, this is nummy." You're a grouchy little heifer, aren't you? Hey, Mama. Hey, Mamas. Hey, Mamas. Here, Mama. There. There you go, Mama. That's part of the problem. I keep wanting to... Hey! That's hers! You're stepping all over it. Grouchy old woman. These guys are going to eventually end up over there by my house. By my new shop. And then we'll have 2 more breeding areas over there. Alright. There is Romeo and his crew. Got Romeo, 2 partridges, Mama, Dynabutt, and then 2 of my Cochins. Come and get you some. Come on, guys. These guys are getting so big. Look at their tail feathers. Come on. Come get you some. Come on. Come get you some. Come on, little girl. Come on, little ones. Babe. Come on. Babe. Come get you some. Come on, babe. Come on, babe. Come and get it. These 2 boys have been really fighting here recently over who's going to be the head pecker. Come on, ladies. Come on. I'm kind of thinking about, because splashes breed through, I'm kind of thinking about putting them as a separate breed in a pen together. Come here, baby. Because I could actually do him and 4 females That might be what I do. This is Cosmo's barn. We got Stazzy. This is my little my little buff-laced Polish frizzle rooster. And there's Biddy, my little black white crested Polish. Have we got any eggs, guys? It's okay, Spazzy. Now, in the barns, I use sawdust. I have to come out here and pick up my sawdust. Okay, you need to get your ass out there and eat, Grouchy. There's Miss Powder. Miss Powder. Come on, Mama. Come on. Silkies. They go brooding. That's what they do. There's my little Turkin girl. And Dizzy, which I think Dizzy is Smokey's dad. So, Spaz, what are you doing, baby? Okay, that's this barn. What the hell? Hey, leave her alone. So that's what I'm trying to do now is I'm just taking each of these guys and I'm doing their barn. Oh, you're sunbathing. When you think your chicken's dead, she's not. She's just sunbathing. Now look at that. That is Powder and that is my adult. So I know these guys are big enough to be over here. Powder's just as big as the rest of them. Hey, pretty girl. You gonna eat some goodies? Okay, here's my buff Polish. I should probably not be recording this right now, but normally I try to get the food. But these guys do so much better if I just chuck all the food in one area. Look at them. They're all mad. They're like, wait, it was our turn to get food. There's all my babies, my buffs. My son was so funny. He came into here one night to check on my chickens. And he's like, Mom, these are weird. They're all the same color. It's like all the same bird. Because most of my barns are full of all different colors. And there's Miss Roxanne. Miss Roxy. Look at these babies. Woo. About 2 to 3 weeks and everything settles down when you're making changes. So, here's these guys. My little Cochin babies. They're trying to get their little fat butts up there so they can get some. Come on, baby. Come get some. Come on, babies. Come and get some. Oh. Come and get some. Come here. Come here. Yes. All right, Rocky Road. He's just cock-a-doodle-doing. I've got 2 of these. That one and I think that one is really dominant. Hi. Are you gonna eat? Yeah, get you some. Get you some. Believe me, they got plenty. They can all get in there. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi, Mommy. Hey, baby. You think I might have more goodies? I put grass clippings and sprouts and pretty much anything in here. I do the hunting since they can't. I gotta keep them separate and I can't let them out. I got dogs that'll eat them. And of course, everything like chicken. This is what I do twice, 2-3 times a day. I come out and I give them goodies, and then I run around and check on everybody. Sometimes I just play with them, sit here and talk to them. Ooh, you got your rooster going on. Look at him back there. You got that rooster going on. At least I think he's a rooster. I think he's cockle-doodle-dooing. Anyways, there's the babies for today.